Hi, I'm Dan Menache from ASB.
And I'm Nora Nikfarjam from KBEV. This is the week of March 21st.
Welcome to the Norman Update.
The PTSA is having a fundraiser at the Shake Shack at Century City on Wednesday, March 23rd from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Show the flyer at the register or use the code 25donation on the Shack app. 25% off your total meal purchase will be donated to the BHS PTSA. Make sure to stop by to support.
Seniors, if you are planning on not walking in the graduation ceremony, please email Ms. Bennett at mbennett@bhusd.org to arrange a time on when to pick up your diploma. It is assumed that you will be walking unless you inform Ms. Bennett otherwise.
Please bring non-perishable breakfast items from March 21st to April 8th for the Spring Food Drive. Examples of acceptable items would be oatmeal, cereal boxes, cream of wheat, peanut butter, granola bars, canned food, and more. Food bins will be set up across campus. Thank you to everyone who donates.
Normans, have a special talent you want to show off? Sign up for the BHS Annual Talent Show. Scan the QR code on the flyer to submit your audition by March 31st, 2022. Good luck to all the students participating.
SMC is offering a career exploration workshop great for juniors and seniors who are possibly interested in attending SMC. The Career Center will go over their services, the programs, and career pathways at SMC. There will also be a dual enrollment information session for anyone interested in learning more about the dual enrollment and the courses that SMC will offer in the fall. Students and parents are both welcome to join the workshop. If you have any questions, please email Ms. Jefferson. Her email will be in the description below.
The swim team will be having a home meet against West Torrance on Thursday, March 24 at 3 p.m. Make sure to stop by the swim gym to show your support. Let's go Normans!
Students who are 16 years old must fill out a consent form for the blood drive. If you do not have one, please stop by Mr. Hangler's room to pick one up. All 16-year-olds must have parents' permission to donate blood. Please bring the form to the blood drive on March 24th or else you will not be permitted to donate blood. Thank you to everyone donating.
Thank you for watching the Norman Update. I'm Dan Menache.
And I'm Nora Nikfarjam. We will see you next week.
Here I am, there you are. Why does it seem so far? Next to you is where I should be. Y'all know that Big Time Rush? It's fire.
That was so funny.
Hello. It's any kind of guy. Hello. It's like. Here I am,
there you are. Why does it seem so far? Next to you is where I should be.
Perfect. That's good.
I can keep on believing that everything takes. Hey, what y'all know about that Big Time?
And I'm Nora Nikfarjam from KBEV. This is the week of March 21st.
And welcome to the Norman Update.
Week. I forgot.
Oh yeah, baby.
Swim team will have. My bad, bro. Hey, now Grace jinxed me. Bienvenidos. Oh, yo. Is we just gonna go?